Cooking time, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, cooking time. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand what cooking time really means in different contexts. Cooking time refers to the amount of time required to cook a dish or food item. It's a crucial part of any recipe, ensuring that the food is properly cooked. Cooking time can vary based on the recipe, the method of cooking, and the ingredients used. For example, boiling pasta might take about 10 minutes, while roasting a chicken could take over an hour. Understanding cooking time helps in meal planning and ensuring food safety. In recipes, cooking time is often listed alongside ingredients and cooking methods. It's important for achieving the desired taste and texture of a dish. Overcooking can lead to burnt or overly dry food, while undercooking can result in raw or unappetizing meals. Additionally, for some foods, like meats, correct cooking time is essential for safe consumption. Different cultures have various interpretations of cooking time. For instance, slow cooking is a cherished method in some cuisines, emphasizing flavors developed over long cooking times. Conversely, some Asian cuisines value quick stir-frying, where cooking time is short but intense. Understanding these cultural nuances can enrich your culinary experience and appreciation for global cuisines. To effectively manage cooking time, here are some practical tips. Always read the recipe thoroughly before starting. Use timers to track cooking time accurately. Adjust cooking times based on your oven or stove's efficiency. Remember, altitude and humidity can affect cooking times. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of cooking time in the English language. Whether you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen or just learning English, this phrase is handy to know. Happy cooking and learning! See you in the next video.